All right, my lovely friends, we are here together again at last on this Tuesday, September 8th, 2020, and I am tired today. My alarm clock went off and I was like, no, just one more hour, please. Anyway, didn't happen, so here I am. Let's talk. Right now, stock futures are pointing towards a lower open across the board, especially with regard to the tech sector. All right, we'll cover that in a second, but crude oil is the real culprit here. Crude oil is getting hammered. Hammered. It's down over 6% pre-market. Trading doesn't start for about 30 minutes. You know how this works. With crude oil being down like this, the entire stock market is going to get weighed down. The energy sector is going to fall under pressure. Financials are going to fall under pressure. Crude oil is the lifeblood of not just the military-industrial complex, which I've covered a million times, but it's the lifeblood of the markets. And I'm not really sure what's driving this sell-off right now. Like I said, I got up and I'm tired this morning. So we're just going to watch this. We're going to see how it plays out moving forward. All right, let's talk about a few other things. Cryptocurrencies are under pressure. Gold and silver are under pressure. The 10-year yield down a little bit. That means some cash is making its way back into the debt market, and the dollar, the Dixie, is higher. So right now it looks like a setup for volatility. Like I explained to you what happened yesterday. I said yesterday in my markets look ahead, I expect a volatile week. I also expect stocks to finish higher at the end of this week. I really do. For a ton of reasons, but they got to prop up crude. Trust me on this. They're going to find a way to do it. Otherwise, the market's going to suffer, and they don't want this, especially a couple of people out here, or maybe I should say, the president does not want this market to drop. The illusion of the markets must be kept real. If the stock market is going higher, well, they can distract people by saying our economy is strong, we're in recovery, super V. Nothing could be further from the truth here, and I know you get that, but the lies and the propaganda, it's just going to get worse. It's going to get monumentally worse moving forward, and I think you get the story. All right, let's talk about a couple of other things here real quick. The other reason why I still remain a raging bull with regard to the stock market is the Federal Reserve. It's very simple. They're not going to stop. They are not going to stop pumping easy money into this market. We already understand suppressed rates are here to stay. The Federal Reserve must create cash out of thin air. They have to buy the debt. They can't just say, hey, we're going to keep rates low. They're also going to increase purchases of corporate debt moving forward. As America free falls. That's how it's going to go. A terrible, hideous merger between corporations, which are stronger than ever, and this new government is in effect. This goes way beyond socialism. Okay, we have reached a new plateau. I don't even know what you want to call this, but it is not good. It's not good for the people. It's great for corporations now merging with a government, which means they get to dictate the rules. This is a merger that's been going on for a very long time. But since this scamdemic, what the Federal Reserve is doing, it's taken on a new level. And I think that should be pretty obvious to you. So again, in summary here, crude oil is getting hammered. That is weighing on the stock market. Futures are lower. It looks like a pan sell-off here. Again, what does that mean? Stocks are under pressure. Cryptos are under pressure. Metals are under pressure. And crude oil is getting decimated. That's what's going on here. But again, what does this mean? It's opportunity, people. Just smile. Look, when you see this kind of stuff, smile. When cryptos are falling under pressure in an environment like this, when gold and silver are falling under pressure in an environment of endless money printing, endless money creation, and a Federal Reserve that is determined to create inflation, although there is no inflation, duh. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. you know where you need to be. I mean, it can't be more simple. I love this stuff. I love this. Okay, when I see this, it makes me smile, and I want you to smile too. With regard to this market trading for my lions out here, if I decide to enter a position today, if I see opportunities, I will let you know in real time. Just subscribe to my free newsletter. There is a link down here in the description of this video. I will shoot out to you directly what I'm buying, strike price, month, asset, everything. We will not lose. You understand? From any angle, I think you get that. All right, look, I'm going to end this video. I think it's important. A lot of updates here. Keep your eyes on, of course, the 10-year yield, the dollar, and crude oil. All right, let's watch these things. Love you a lot. See you later.